second gear just to have the best grip, and also be sure to close your visor if you have a sunroof. And then anyway, I have made already this procedure off camera just to be sure I don't screw it up. This is only for your information. So put it in second gear, then put your foot, have a leverage or something like that, and then pull it towards you like this, and it comes off. Very simple. As you can see, the difference are significant. This is way shorter than the stock one, so also this will have to shorten the shifter. So now, yeah, for the actual installment of the new shifter, take the new shifter, insert it here. The procedure is really simple. Be sure that doesn't wiggle, and then the only thing needed is giving it a smack over the head just to fit in place like that. And then yeah, now everything it's secured. So this is the final result. I hope you like this this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and of course be sure to subscribe for new videos like this. Thank you, and enjoy the before and after. Bye bye.